We are on a mission to drink South African wine. It is a disgusting day in Cape Town, but we have not been to any of the vineyards yet while we're here in Cape Town, so we're going to do it on this lovely day.
Yeah, I'm excited. Wind's too powerful here. Broke the umbrella. So today we are taking the bus to the wine bus and going to Constantia wine tours. I am excited to do some wine tastings. I think the last time we were at a vineyard was when we were getting married. So this is kind of cool. It's like a year and a couple of weeks later, we're going back to a vineyard in South Africa this time and testing out some wines.
South African wine.
Yeah, some South African wines. I have never had South African wine before. Figured out that it's pronounced Constantia, and we are here now with a little bit of broken umbrella, and it's still raining, but
I think this is Constantia Groot or Groot Constantia.
I think it's Groot Constantia.
Yes.
That's what the signs say.
Do you know which one you'd like to do next? Which one do you suggest?
So this shows how much I know about wine. For whatever reason, I thought the Sauvignon Blanc was red.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. I thought Sauvignon Blanc was red. I know, like, Pinot Grigio is white, but I thought Sauvignon Blanc was red. So it came out white, and I was like, okay. So this is the Sauvignon Blanc. I think you're supposed to, like, sniff it. I don't have any idea what I'm doing. I think you're supposed to, like, swirl it and sniff it. It smells good. It smells like wine. It's good. It's a little more, I don't know, like, kind of like bitter, I guess. I couldn't really hear when she was telling me the description. So I just know that yours is cotton candy, and I was like, I kind of wish I got the cotton candy. Yeah, let me try the rosé. Said it smells like cotton candy. It's pretty good. I think I like the rosé better. Okay, we have the Lady of Abundance and the Merlot. I think she said the Lady of Abundance was like a mixture of a bunch of them, like a blend of a bunch of them. So
But just wait till I get a bit, and so you have to wait till you get to the next class, and they can't drink it.
oh, that's actually pretty good. That might be my favorite that we've had so far. Let me try that Merlot. Let me try that.
I like the Merlot.
You do? I like that one. Lady of Abundance.
What are your wine ratings so far?
Rating so far, the Lady of Abundance is an 8. I'll say that's my favorite.
I give Lady of Abundance like a 4.
And then the Rosé. The Rosé was pretty good. That's a 7.
I give the Rosé an 8.
And then Sauvignon Blanc is like a 5. It's not good. No, that's okay.
I give the Sauvignon Blanc a 6.
Merlot's like a 4. I did not like Merlot. I don't know. I'm not a big Merlot guy, I guess.
I give the Merlot a 9. I liked that one. Yeah.
A 9?
Yeah.
We still have four more to try, so.
And now this is the Cabernet, which it says it has notes of pencil shavings. So I'm very excited about this one. I do like it, and I don't taste the pencil shavings, so maybe my palate is not that great, but it tastes good to me.
What's the rating on that?
8.5. I like this one. And this one is the Pinot Taj. Pinot Taj? Pinot Taj. It tastes the same to me.
Oh, as the
Yeah, I don't really taste the difference. It's similar.
So also 8.5?
I say 8. There's something I like about this one better, and it's probably the pencil shavings.
Can you go slow-mo with me? Doing this? We have a last bonus tasting. This is the Grand Constantia. This is the wine that Napoleon Bonaparte drank. Apparently, it's what it's rumored to be. And it's like you can see it's like an amber color. It smells like oranges. So if I drink this, I will turn into Napoleon Bonaparte. It's good. It kind of tastes like it's pretty good. It's really good actually. Just like juice. It's got like a honey flavor at the end. Ooh. That one's really good. I see why Napoleon liked it. It's not wine. I wouldn't call it wine. I don't know. But it's like an alcoholic orange juice. That's my favorite.
I feel like you really hyped it up, so my expectations are quite high. Oh, that is not what I expected. I like this one. It's so fruity, orangey, like fresh.
Yeah.
I think she said it was a dessert wine, right? Napoleon had good wine taste. It is pretty strong.
I'm lit, so I don't know.
And okay, we need to go get back on the bus. No more wine.
We're going to the next vineyard. We're taking the wine bus to the next vineyard.
You ready for more?
I'm ready to go. Got my glasses and everything. Actually, I'm ready for a historical bath. Historical bath, and then we'll go to the next vineyard. That's good.
bus is here, and we really don't want to have to wait for another one. So we're gonna run and try and catch it. We made it.
That was a really great time. I had a lot of fun. We tried some good wines. Tried Napoleon Bonaparte's wine, the wine that changed the world. That's what I like to call it, I guess. I don't know.
That's what you like to call it?
Yeah.
Have you ever heard of it before today?
The wine that made Napoleon feel 6'4" instead of 4'11" or whatever he was. 5 feet tall. I think he was like 5 feet tall. Made him feel 6'4". And that's what gave him the confidence to do what he did. Something
I
like
feel
that.
like you drink so much wine, the historical facts might be a little bit skewed.
Yeah. Have to go back and check my history on that. But I know all about the history of the wine. And I know Sauvignon Blanc is now white and not red. Fun fact. So I learned, fun fact of the video. Sauvignon Blanc is white wine, not red. Imagine my surprise when it came out white. It came out white and not red. So, oh, ow. Red, I guess. White. Got some gourmet cheese dogs. It's a nice cheese dog selfie. Mm.